A warm welcome to the Soulful Gathering. In the last session, Trishla Ma connected everyone present here to Mahavatar Babaji. Let's see what she takes out from her magic bag to gift everyone present here. Please welcome Trishla Ma with a huge round of applause.
I will teach you one more self-healing technique of friction, which Babaji has passed to me, which I have taught in Mulund Pyramid. And you all can do that every day. You all can teach anyone and everyone. The meditation which we just did, you don't have to do it on your own. Anapanasati is above all. So you continue with Anapanasati. This I had connected you with masters. So this you cannot practice at home without my guidance. So you please continue Anapanasati meditation at home, and I will teach you a friction technique. First, everybody will take your hands like that. You all can keep it in front because of the mic I am holding it, and rub it really hard. Put all your strength and energy, and till you feel the warmth. Once you start feeling the warmth in your palms, you start doing clockwise. Go like that, like children do chuk chuk gadi. Okay. In front. We'll do it in front, but joining your palms. So it will be vigorous. Then you do anti-clockwise after you do this for a while. For the same equal amount of time, these cycles will be anti-clock. Now we'll go reverse. Now once more we will do. Yes. And now everybody will close your eyes for a while and just sit with the open palms. Like that. So everybody close eyes, be aware of your palms. Combine it with your breath, the awareness. Feel the tingling and energy. Absorb it. I am breathing in energy. Should be your mental thought. Energy is entering my entire system and body through my palms, and I am totally, completely healed. The time is till your tingling of palms stop. It can be different for different people. It depends on the rubbing of your palms. So when the tingling stops, your time is over, and then you open your eyes. Again, cupping your hands on the eyes. You can open your eyes, give your own counts because here everybody's time differs. Don't open eyes before putting your palms. Patri sir is very particular about this. So the energy in your palms, it is very important. Okay, everybody is done. Go clap for yourself. You can practice this technique and teach your near and dear ones every day, anytime. And you don't have to see whether you have eaten food, not eaten food. This will help in all sorts of healing for physical ailments. We go through many emotions because of the emotions which are negative, which we experience in life. We get blockages, and that's why we suffer. We have the enemy within us. It's not outside. दुश्मन भीतर है, बाहर नहीं है. हम ही अपने आप के दुश्मन हैं, सबसे बड़े. बाहर सब दोस्त हैं. Everybody loves you. You have to give love. So if somebody has a problem, it's okay. You just leave it at that gracefully. कोई बात नहीं. They will come. If they don't come, it's okay. So you don't get upset because people are like that. दे आर इन देयर ओन मूड्स, हो सकते हैं उन लोग डिप्रेस्ड हो कभी. एवरीबडी गोज थ्रू डिफरेंट फेजेस, डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स इन लाइफ. So I would like every week you do a fast of one emotion which you dislike in yourself. For example, anger, being impatient. Whatever you choose, you are the master, you know what is bad in you. You don't have to tell anyone. What is good in you, all hands will be up. Okay. What is bad in you, if anybody can tell me. Huh? Okay. You don't need to tell, confess to yourself. Say कि this, I don't like this in myself. हम भीतर करेक्शंस करेंगे, बाहर नहीं. बाहर अपने आप करेक्शंस हो जाएंगे. सो हम उस चीज़ का उपवास करेंगे. उपवास में नॉर्मली हमें मालूम है फिजिकल बॉडी का खाना नहीं खाना है, एक टाइम खाना है, रात को खाना है. सो ये सोल का उपवास है. दिस इज़ फॉर द सोल टू मेक इट मोर हेल्दी, and it helps you greatly in spiritual growth. And even being silent, mauna is a powerful weapon. So being silent, and if you're not, if you're dressed fully, you have to wear a smile. So please don't forget to wear a smile when you're dressed, because without that you're incomplete. You have to carry yourself out with a smile every day. When you're positive, you're like a positive magnet, you attract all positivity. And when you are depressed, negative, everybody goes to that phase. You have to come out of it quickly. Do what makes you happy. Go for shopping, go for a movie. Don't be there. Leave the situation there, watch it. Just be there and keep the situation there. It will really get handled. You do Anapanasati meditation, and that is enough. Like Patri sir says, कुछ मत करिए, ध्यान ही करिए, खाली अपने आप सब हो जाएगा. Actually this has happened with me. कुछ नहीं किया तभी सब कुछ हो गया. जब भी बहुत कुछ करना चाहती थी तो कुछ नहीं हो पाता था. Even simplest things, and more than your wishes. I was blessed with more than I thought, imagined or wanted. I was a very simple person. I didn't have बड़ी आकांक्षाएं नहीं थी मेरी कि मुझे ये बनना है, वो करना है. Nothing like that. I don't like to come out of my house. It is very unbelievable. अभी मैं बहुत एक्टिव रूप से बाहर निकली हूँ, and I'm writing poems, books. So एक अपने आप से मुलाकात मेरी हुई इस ध्यान में आने के बाद. तो अपने आप से जब मैंने मुलाकात की तब सब सही होने लगा. Because God wants you to realize your purpose. Once you know what you're supposed to do, everything falls in place. जब ईश्वर हमें जो कराना चाहते हैं हम रियलाइज़ कर लेते कि हमें हमारा लक्ष्य ये होना चाहिए और हमें ये करना है, ये ईश्वर की इच्छा है, और तब सब अपने साथ सही होने लगता है. और तब तक नहीं तो ईश्वर अपनी छड़ी से हमें ठीक करते रहते हैं. एक एक एक्सपीरियंसेस आते रहते हैं. जब आप रियलाइज़ करते हो, योर एक्सपीरियंसेस एक्चुअली स्टॉप नेगेटिवली, एंड पॉजिटिविटी से पूरा सब पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो योर लाइफ बिगिन्स आफ्टर ध्याना. ओनली ध्यान कैन मेक यू रियलाइज, एंड ओनली दैट कैन हेल्प यू एंड इवॉल्व यू. सो thanks to Patri sir to teach us this dhyan, and we are really blessed souls to be here. I am very happy to be a part of. It's very honorable to be on the same stage. With Patri sir. So God bless. Please do dhyana and keep coming and doing dhyana at home, and prachar kijiye dhyan ka. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
After lunch break, we will be on the second floor. If anybody has got any personal problems which they would need any guidance, whether they should take up a particular job, a prosperity, why it is not happening, why the business is not running, शादी नहीं हो रही है, बच्चा कौन सा लाइन लेना है, whatever, please meet her on the second floor.